What's up, Forex for beginners? I just want to share a little information about what I picked up from the course and how I found out about Forex for beginners. I was searching for a way to learn how to do Forex and have been watching YouTube mainly, and decided I needed a little bit more structure and went to Facebook to try to find a group to learn about Forex or someone that could share some information. When I found this group, I realized they had a free training, and I decided to take the training, and I have been nothing short of pleased with everything I was able to learn in a very short time. Mr. Ali teaches all about support and resistance, all the different levels of break of structure. Everything just seems seamless the way he teaches the course, and he puts everything in order. TradingView, from watching YouTube videos, it looks like a foreign language if you don't know what you're looking at. And he makes everything seems like you're learning your ABCs all over. It's just ABC 1, 2, 3. He teaches you all the techniques, all the little shortcuts, everything you need to know about using TradingView. So I feel very comfortable using that. So I highly recommend anybody who wants to learn about Forex to take this class. You will be pleased with the results from learning. Thank you. Good evening.